Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add extra baggage in Air Arabia after booking. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to open your web browser and go to the official Air Arabia website. And once you launch in, just go ahead and click on manage, which is at the top of the screen to manage your booking. So once you head over to manage, so you can just go ahead and click on add baggage. So it just takes you directly to the add baggage page. So retrieve your booking by entering your booking reference number, that's a PNR, contact person's last name, departure date. And once you're done, just go ahead and click on continue. Then you're going to have to enter the route you're traveling from or to or via, and once you click on continue, it's going to take you to another page where you can also click on search or retrieve booking to access your reservation. Now, once your booking opens, just select add baggage from the list of available booking extras. If you're using the dedicated add baggage page, which is here, your booking will open directly to the baggage options. So review your current baggage allowance to see how much checked baggage is already included with your booking. Select the additional checked baggage allowance you want to purchase. Air Arabia typically offers options such as 20 kg, 30 kg, 40 kg. Now the available options may vary depending on your route and fare. Now confirm your baggage selection and the page will immediately update to display the additional baggage fee. Carefully review the updated booking summary to ensure that you have selected the correct baggage allowance before proceeding. Click continue or proceed to payment. Choose your preferred payment method or enter your payment details. Complete the payment and wait for the transaction to finish. Avoid closing or refreshing your browser while the payment is being processed. Of course, after successful payment, Air Arabia will update your booking with the new baggage allowance. Now check a confirmation page and look for the updated baggage information. You will also receive a confirmation email reflecting the additional baggage that you have purchased. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.